trying for the structural aspect of this. The foam block weighs as much as that blue board, not much more. It's shiv, it's bass fiber, it's from the hurd, ground, but then put back together like the plant would have had it. Instead of, just ground up randomly and put together randomly. Here's the best weight I could do. It just held on the edges there. That's all, well, I couldn't stack up any better. But it's a gallon of antifreeze, a battery on top of a gallon of polyurethane, a 90-pound box of screws, sitting on 2 little bricks, and it's over air. Yep, there you go, over air. Okay, now if I can, yeah, unloaded all that. To show you, I'll put it back on the blocks. It has structural strength. It's not foam. That's not blue board. That's how much it weighs, but that's not blue board. So tell me.